Hi, we're back at Soleil House and we're almost there. We're standing on the new driveway that got poured in several different sections. The concrete block wall behind me is installed, and then up on the upper deck, the slats have been installed that sort of create some shade at the end of the roof line. There's a lot of other stuff going on inside. Everybody's here trying to finish up because we have a photo shoot tomorrow. So we're standing next to the breeze block walls that we created as sort of a partition wall to block off the carport. The breeze blocks we used here were made by a company called and I actually designed this breeze block. In my mind, I thought that this breeze block already existed, but I couldn't really find it anywhere. And we were doing a tile collection with so they also do breeze blocks, so they actually manufactured this design for me. It's in their regular collection. It's the first time I've designed something that was made out of a hard material and not fabric, so it was really fun to work with them and create this Soleil House breeze block. We're in the living room and we're right next to the conversation pit, which is pretty much finished now. It's a yellow linen from Schumacher. In the bottom of the conversation pit, we used Trina Turk design for a company called Flair, and it has the underlighting, which looks really pretty. Behind me is the snug, which is sort of a little TV area. We're starting to play around with the furniture and the rugs and stuff. Don't know exactly if this is the final result. And there's just work going on throughout. We installed some hanging chairs on the patio, and the patio furniture is not really set up yet, but that's what we're doing today. All the wallpaper has been installed now, and in the cabana room, we did a stripe to sort of tie in with the striped tile in the swimming pool. In the primary bedroom, we did a grass cloth that just adds a little bit of texture to the walls. And then in one of the guest bedrooms, we did a wild palm print all around, which is really fun. And there's also a matching fabric. So we have some pieces that are upholstered in that matching fabric, which will create a full-on palm extravaganza in that particular bedroom. The kitchen is pretty much complete now. They were just finishing up a little bit on the tile yesterday. The light fixtures are installed. We have appliances from Monogram. The tile is from Fire Clay. The countertops are from Arizona Tile, and the faucets are Brizo. So it all looks really pretty together. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. The pool is finished, and as you can see, the water jets are on, which I think adds sort of a nice party vibe. And we added the alternating tile around the water line to create a stripe. I think it looks great. It's the original shape of the pool as it was designed in 1963. Thanks for following along all the way. We're almost to the end, and we should be pretty much complete in our next video. So we hope you'll join us again when it's completely done and we can do a walkthrough of the house.